What's poppin', good people? This is Njoro of 254 from the Trucker Sight and Sounds. So basically this is my debut YouTube video, and as you can see, I'm a truck driver. I do the over-the-road trucking, basically on the Midwest USA. I'm gonna be doing videos, and as the title said, sights and sounds. I'm gonna show you the sights, the sceneries of America like never seen before. So for the debut, we're gonna start with the current conditions that are the most dreaded time for any trucker, which is winter. It's always crazy on winter here in America. Lots of snow, lots of black ice. That's when we have so many accidents. So I'm gonna take you through and be showing you what really happens and the challenges that truck drivers undergo as they drive and try to deliver loads through this challenging time of snow and wind. For this debut video, I'm gonna be communicating to you, since we are international like that. I'm gonna do this in English and Swahili, basically in Sheng. Watunguyas niaje Manjoro hapa hivi 254 of the Truckers Sights and Sound. Niko hapa hivi kuwajulisha hali kwa shovile ko zidi hapa kwa hii road mazee. Hii road kwa rahisi vile wasiofikiria, but all in all ni pilika tu za hustle. So tutapeleka na mtaratara kiasi hapa. Hii ni season ya snow jo, na season ya snow ni ile inakuanga mwenda mbaya. Accident kibao ndio sasa utokea, kwanza kwa wale wasiwanga ndio siwaita maruki, ndio mabigina. Accident zingine ni fatal. So ni the most challenging, inakwanga idha ingine tu challenging kwa madere. Anyway, sababu ni katika ile hali ya kutafuta ya bop, lazima mseo unapambana tu na vile na kama, au sio? So for the past, I have a load right now as we're talking to you. I have two drops, one in Salt Lake City, Utah, and another one in Sparks, Nevada. The load, I got the load from Chicago, Illinois. And for anyone who knows the American highways, for you to get to Utah, you have to use the i-80. Sorry about that. You have to use the i-80. That's through Iowa, Nebraska. And it's been snowing really bad in Iowa. On my way, met some really bad accidents. Some of the trucks having lost control and flipped over because of black ice and gusty winds. So basically, vile naambia wase wangu ni aje, niko na mzigo fulani hapa hivi napeleka place inaitwa Salt Lake City, Utah. Niko na load mbili, moja napeleka hapo Salt Lake City, Utah, na nyingine napeleka place inaitwa Sparks, Nevada. Na mizigo zenyewe nimetoa place inaitwa Chicago, Illinois, the state of Illinois. Na kutoka Chicago hadi place hii inaitwa Salt Lake City, hiyo place naenda, tunatumia road inaitwa i-80. Hii i-80 inajulikana sana kwa na muadhara kwa maderekos. Snow yake mazee ile inamwagikanga huko ingangana ile mwenda balanda ile mama yao. So vile tu niko naenda tu hivyo kwa hiyo road mazee, kuna place huko ayo malori mazee zimedunda tu vimwenda. Sometimes hizi lori, hizi trucks huko, hizo zio itango trucks huko tani ndio mnazitanga lori. Hizi trucks kuflip, kudunda, sieti deresi professional. Mazeni venye tu unapatanga tu na hii ice inakuweza mbaya. No matter how professional you are, no matter experience yako inakaaje, The only thing advisable is always drive slow during the winter time. Na ukiweza sana, if possible, if you think it's too harsh for you to drive and you can't make it through the snow, always pull over, look for a truck stop or a rest area and relax there until everything settles down. So my debut video will be showing you some of the incidences and accidents that have happened on my way to Salt Lake. That is the section called I-80 Iowa. So as time goes by through, as I said, mine will be talking less and showing you the sights and sounds of the American country. I'll be showing you the depth and breadth of America, the sceneries, things that you've never seen before. So as I go on, I'll also be uploading videos on different topics that concerns the trucking industry. So on this first video, kindly let us watch how and what happens during this harsh winter times. Thank you.